And breaking news coming in on the Sudip Dutta Bhomik murder case. One more arrest has taken place in the case, making the number 2 in this case. 2 people now have been arrested in the murder case of a journalist. The state government has now also ordered a probe to conduct inquiries. Both the accused are to be produced in court today. In fact, the Tripura Journalist Association have called for a bandh tomorrow protesting the death of journalist Sudip Dutta. The journalist was shot dead in Tripura's Agartala yesterday by a soldier of the 2nd Battalion of Tripura State Rifles, and this took place, we understand, after an altercation took place between both the parties. He was shot dead in Agartala's RK Nagar. Arindam joining us over the phone line with further inputs. Arindam, one more arrest now been made in this murder case, making the number 2. We understand they both would be produced at court today.
Yes, today the commandant of the 2nd Battalion of Tripura State Rifles, his name is Tapan Dev Marma, has been arrested this morning. The Jawan who shot dead the journalist Sudip Dutta Bhomik Nanduriyang was arrested yesterday. They will both be produced in the court today. Actually, this journalist Sudip Dutta Bhomik went to meet the commandant for a news purpose. He had prior appointment with the commandant, but before he entered the premises, he had an altercation with one of the Jawans there, Nanduriyang, and then after the altercation, the Jawan shot dead the journalist. This is in fact a very shocking incident, because this is the second incident involving a journalist, because on September 20 last, another journalist, Santanu Bhomik, was also killed in a mob lynching case, and this is the second case that has come up in Tripura. This has happened in RK Nagar area in West Tripura district, just inside the camp of the headquarters of the 2nd Battalion of the Tripura State Rifles. Immediately, the Jawan who shot dead the journalist was arrested yesterday, and today the commandant of the 2nd Battalion of Tripura State Rifles, Tapan Dev Marma, has also been arrested. In fact, today the body was taken to various press clubs in Tripura with a procession to pay the last respects to the journalist. In fact, tomorrow the Working Journalist Association of Tripura has called a statewide bandh protesting against this killing. In fact, the government of Tripura has also ordered an CID inquiry into the death of the journalist Sudip Dutta Bhomik. And right now, the situation remains tense in Agartala. And tomorrow, what we have come to know, that the Journalist Association of Tripura has called a statewide bandh protesting this killing.
Arindam, what more do we know about the reason behind the altercation, which went violent, due to which this journalist was shot at by this Jawan? What are the initial details trickling in on the reason behind this altercation?
What we have come to know is that journalist Sudip Dutta Bhomik went to meet the commandant of the 2nd Battalion of Tripura State Rifles for a news purpose. He had prior appointment with the commandant, but when he tried to enter the premises of this 2nd Battalion of TSR, he had an altercation with a Jawan named Nanduriyang. And after that, this Jawan shot dead the journalist. As of now, that is the reason that is coming out, but we don't know what had led to the altercation. And in fact, the commandant of the Tripura State Rifles 2nd Battalion has also been arrested today morning, and they both will be produced before the court. And in fact, the state government has ordered a CID inquiry, so more details will emerge only after the inquiry report is submitted.
All right, Arindam, many thanks for getting us those inputs. But what is of concern here is that this is the 2nd journalist who's been killed in Tripura in a span of 2 months. Thanks for the moment.